Welcome back to my Urban Culture Kitchen. So this is your boy KC. Today we got something special. It's that time of the year, so everybody, likes to put on some beans, chili. So today we're gonna be doing some black eyed peas. Yes, I'm gonna do some famous black eyed peas that my auntie and my mom and my grandma always put together. So, it passed down to me, so I'm gonna teach you and pass it down to you this special recipe. So let's get into the ingredients. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to keep up with my weekly dishes. And I'll see you in the ingredients. Alright, you guys, so we got something good on the menu. We're about to actually be going over the ingredients of this black eyed peas recipe. You know what I'm saying? So what we're gonna do is let's start with, we got some smoked turkey. This is smoked turkey wings. We're gonna have, some chicken broth, salt or unsalted is up to you. About 4 tablespoons of bouillon. Also too, about 4 tablespoons of minced garlic, chopped up garlic, or even whole garlic. It's up to you. And this is about 3 tablespoons of black pepper. So you want to have some sorted bell pepper and onions and stuff like that. This is how I do mine. And the main ingredient, black eyed peas, you guys. So you got to have that. You can't be making black eyed peas without black eyed peas. So we're gonna be doing this. It's gonna be a crock pot recipe. I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's real simple. The cooking time is 6 hours. For the crock pot to cook everything and be done and everything. So I'm gonna just show you everything as far as me assembling it and everything in this video. So let's get into putting everything in the crock pot. All right, you guys. So we're gonna first align the bottom with some ingredients that you want to start with. So what I do is, I have this bag of bell peppers and onions. I put it at the bottom. It may look like a lot, but it really ain't, because once it kind of breaks down, once it finished cooking and stuff like that. Next, you want to add your black eyed peas in there. Bag open up. This is a pretty good dish. I learned this from my grandmother. My grandmother actually loves her black eyed peas. When we go visit, when we go out to Las Vegas, to go visit her, she would always have some black eyed peas. She loved ham, so she would always do it with some hog mogs, or some kind of fat back of some kind and stuff like that. Eventually just spread it around good and stuff like that. And and we always have them. We had no choice. Nowadays these kids, they can pick and choose what they eat. But us, we didn't have that luxury, at all. So I had some little onions chopped up, so I'm just adding that on top of the black eyed peas. Now what you want to do is add in the garlic. Just spread it around and stuff like that. It just depends on how much garlic you like. I like a lot of garlic. So I put a lot of garlic in mine. All right, sprinkle in your seasonings. Because once I actually incorporate the chicken broth, all of this is gonna be, all combined together. Get your black pepper in. I always add black pepper. Some people, they don't add black pepper, but they understand that actually does a world of good when you add into your dishes. And add in your meat. So whatever meat you got and stuff like that. I got some turkey wings. We like turkey wings. Right now I gotta cut back on that pork. That swine. But anyway, you can do it with any kind of smoked meat. I always recommend smoked meat. Because smoked meat is always good to incorporate, because you get that smoke flavor and stuff like that. So add in your whole thing of chicken broth into it. Let it come up. Make sure it covers the black eyed peas and everything like that. And all you need is 1. You can do 2, and then add, the remaining with some water. So just have it just about over the, the meat, chicken wings and stuff like that. And that's it, you guys. Make sure you put your temperature on high. And like I said, this is gonna cook for about 6 hours. Check back and forth, say after the next 3 hours, you know what I'm saying, and check it to stir it and stuff like that. Make sure your beans are fully cooked. But you know what I'm saying, you really don't have to stir it up. It's up to you. You can just let it cook. But you can stir it through, make sure, you know, all the flavors in there. Taste it too. So, you know what I'm saying, to make sure it's seasoned like you would like. You know, you could always, the way I did it, you could always add to it because it's not that much sodium in this. You know what I'm saying? If you don't want to, you don't have to. You know, so let's get to covering it and get it ready to finish cooking and everything like that. You know, so yeah, you just get a simple crock pot. This is about a 4 or 5 quart, about a 5 quart, you know, crock pot. And like I said, on high. So make sure this bad boy is on high, you know, and check back in about 3 to 4 hours like that. And this is a good dish to do overnight. You know, and you're more likely, you're gonna definitely, once you start smelling it, you know it's, you know, it's almost about done. So when you get that whiff when you sleep or when you walk in for work, oh, it's gonna be done. So I will, you know, check back with you when it's actually, you know, at the halfway mark. All right, we're gonna check it after 3 hours. Looking pretty good. What y'all think? Almost done. Looking like everything almost cooked. All right, you guys. See you when it's done. But anyway, you guys, this bad boy looking good. Look at that, y'all. Can y'all see what's up in here? Everything. Oh man. It's done, you guys. I wish we had some smell-o-vision, but this bad boy is looking off the hook. You know, we see the meat, you know what I'm saying, is everything is fully done. We see all the vegetables have breaking down and everything like that, and it's done. So after about 6 to 7 hours, like I said, depending on how hot your crock pot is and everything like that, you know, just stir it around. If your meat is not tender, you know, like you like, leave it on a little bit longer, probably another 30 minutes to an hour and stuff like that, so it can be able to tenderize. But, you know, you want to make sure your black eyed peas is fully cooked through, you know, through and through. You don't want it to be hard or crunchy of any kind. And we're about to actually serve this bad boy up to your, you know, to the, you know, lucky people that want to eat it, like me. So it's time to serve, you guys. Thanks for stopping by the Culture Kitchen. You know, this is your boy KC, and definitely, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. That is definitely the only one way you can be able to keep up with my weekly dishes. So see you in the next dish, you guys.